Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of spending countless hours manually monitoring the Forex market? Do you find it challenging to keep up with every market fluctuation? You are not alone. In this video, I'll introduce an automated trading program that simplifies your Forex trading experience, saving your time and effort. The Forex market, one of the most dynamic financial markets in the world, offers countless opportunities for traders. However, its fast pace and constant fluctuations can be overwhelming. This is where automated trading programs come in, revolutionizing the way traders interact with the market. Let's explore how these programs work and why they are becoming essential tools for modern traders. Now, let's dive into the core features of this automated trading script. First, you can customize your trading strategy based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Open the Invincible trading script and go to the input interface to set up your automated trading strategy. Set the type of transaction to 2 for buy orders or 3 for sell orders. The start price field specifies the price at which the buy order will be executed. Total quantity determines the number of trades to be automatically executed. For example, setting it to 10 will execute 10 trades over different times. Single profit sets the profit target for this strategy. Price interval specifies the price difference between each trade. Single quantity represents the volume of each trade. After configuring all these parameters, click OK to activate the script. Once activated, the program continuously monitors the market and executes trades automatically when specific conditions are met, even when you are away.
When you become euphoric, the definition of euphoria is invincible. And you start to forget about all those position sizing, only risk 0.5%. You say, let's have a big bet. When you have a run of good luck, that euphoria takes over, and most people in fact go bankrupt after a run of good luck, not after a run of bad luck, because they think they're God and they forget about all those position sizes.
The key to long-term success in the market has always been a healthy, systematic trading framework that is executed consistently, free from emotional interference. Experts point out that automated trading systems help traders overcome emotional decision-making, ensuring more rational and consistent trading behavior.
You need to practice really, really good money management, and that just means not losing any more than 1% of your loot, or at the very most 2% of your loot on any one trade. And then the third thing is to build the discipline to just do it over and over and over again.
This script is designed to help you achieve over 50% consistent profitability, making it a must-have for anyone looking to trade steadily in the Forex market. Many traders have already seen significant returns using automated trading, and you can too. Start by accessing the free trial version and testing your strategies in a risk-free demo environment. Let's walk through the complete process using a demo account. First, log into the demo standard version account and complete the basic settings. Open a trading pair of your choice. You might notice that trading functionality is disabled. To enable it, you need to add a tradable asset. For example, select Gold Standard S under the standard version ST Metals. Double-click to activate trading permissions. Once successful, the trading status will display full access. Open the chart window by right-clicking on the asset, and you are ready to trade. Now, open the Invincible EA demo and configure the parameters. After setting them, click OK to begin automated trading. Similarly, you can use the batch cancellation script to cancel orders in batches. Before doing so, stop the auto-ordering program. Then, open the auto-cancel script and confirm. Orders will be cancelled in bulk, making it perfect for managing large numbers of triggered orders. Ready to start your automated trading journey? Here are the steps to download and set up the program showcased in this video. It's quick and easy to begin your free trial. First, download. Access the links in the descriptions to download the MT4 program and our automated trading script. Second, install. After downloading the 3 files, double-click on EBC Financial Setup. Complete the installation and click Finish. Third, create a demo account. Fill in the account name, email, and phone number. Select the standard version and set an initial fund of 10,000. Once set, click Next to receive a login ID and 2 passwords. Save them for future use. Now, import the automated script. Navigate to File, Open Data folder, MQL4, Experts. Then paste the Invincible and Cancel scripts into this folder. Refresh MT4 to activate them. Now, enjoy the freedom of automated trading and the ease it brings to your strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the program via the link in the description. Happy trading!